From the authoring nav bar at the top, click the choice element, so double click, and a window appears where I can set the start end time as with all interactions. I can set to pause the video when my question appears to my end user. I'll add a title. I can add a description if I choose. And I'm going to choose what type of question I'm going to create here. So the options are single or multiple choice questions, true and false, yes and no, and I can also move down and set it as a survey question, which then suppresses the feedback. For this example, we'll start by creating a single answer question, and I'll add my question here. I could optionally use an image to present as my question, so choose a file from my computer. I can then provide different answers that are available. So the first answer I will add is forced out. And I can click the plus sign to add additional distractors, speed it up, and I'll add one more for this example. So once I'm done adding the additional options, I'll indicate which answer is correct by checking the box here, and I can choose to provide my own custom feedback. And I can move up, set the style for my question, so I can have the font, the foreground color, so my font face to be blue, for example, and I can choose to change font and those sorts of items. I can choose to set a specific layout by X and Y coordinates or height and width for my question. And what is also a key feature is the ability to set a time limit and set the question to be adaptive. So our adaptive functionality allows me to direct the learner to a specific topic or a topic within this video or within another video in my LumaOne site to review content. So it'll take them out to a topic based on how they answer the question, and I can set it to return back to this area of the video again once they've completed that topic. I can also set the topic to autoplay when they go to review. So for this example, I'll not set it as topics, as adaptive. We'll click close, and I'll save my question, save and close my window, and drag it into the correct area of the screen. So we've just created a single choice question.